In today's video, I have a shopping haul for you and I can't wait to show you what all I got, so stay tuned. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a shopping haul and it's a little bit different because it's not from a big box store like Target or Walmart or Home Goods or whatever, but it is a thrifting shopping haul. So I have started a booth in a little shop in an antique village, and I will put a link to the video that I just put out of me setting that booth up. I'll put that in the description box so you can see it. But I have been going to Goodwill stores, we have been going to estate sales, trying to find things that I can just have, and start working on getting it ready to put in my booth. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the haul that I have gotten from going to those Goodwill stores and estate sales. And I will say that it's gonna kind of be, I've got the stuff that I have purchased, I've got it, here, I've got it there, I've kind of got it all over the place. Got some stuff in my garage. So when I show you the items, I'm showing you the items where they currently are in my home. So I don't have them all with me to show you right here. So it's gonna be a little bit different. So let's go ahead and get started. I got this really cute little mini ironing board and it's pretty solid wood. It's pretty heavy. I got this at Goodwill for $5. So I'm gonna clean it up and maybe touch it up with some paint, but I thought this would be really cute. I got this at Goodwill and this was $3, $2.99. And I already had these jars and they fit in here perfectly, which is amazing because this, it's odd to find jars that fit in this, because this is metal, so there's no change in that. But anyway, I thought this is really cute. I got it for $3. I found this tray at Goodwill and doesn't really look like much here, and I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I got it for $3. So I figure I could do something, paint it, I don't know. But for $3, I thought this was a good deal, and I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but stay tuned. I did get this shutter at a Restore store. And if you've never been to Restore, they basically take donations from people who are renovating houses or builders or whatever that just have extra like cabinet doors, shutters, whatever. And all the proceeds of the sales goes to Habitat for Humanity. But anyway, I got this shutter for $10, and I really like the color of it. It definitely needs to be cleaned up, but I figured this would be really pretty to have on a mantle maybe. You could hang a wreath on it. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it like this or if I'm gonna paint it, but I feel like this is really pretty. I got it for $10, and it's pretty substantial. It's probably 3 feet tall, maybe 3.5 feet tall. So it's pretty substantial, and this would be a great mantelpiece. I got these two cabinet doors at the Restore store as well. And I say I spent $10 on that shutter, but I forgot. I went on a Tuesday and they give discounts to 55 and up, and I was almost 55. So they gave me, I think it was a 15% discount. So I got 15% off of that shutter. And then I got these two cabinet doors. I plan on turning the white one into a tray, possibly. And then the brown one I am going to turn into a chalkboard that you can hang on the wall for like messages or whatever. So I got each of those for $5 each plus the 15% discount. I got this shelf from an estate sale slash kind of junkyard. And I got it for $18. It does have this paint right here, so I don't know if we'll have to strip the whole thing or what, but this will be good, if not to sell, then for display, if nothing else. But I was happy to find this shelf. I found this adorable shelf at the same place, and I got it for $10, and I actually ended up painting it, cleaning it up and painting it, and you can see here what it looks like after it's painted. And this is in my little booth, and I use it as a display shelf. But we found this sort of entertainment center, and we got it for $25 at the same place. So I can't wait to refinish this one. All right, I know I have you all over the place, but I have everything all in different areas. But I did get this. I hope I didn't pay too much for it. I think I paid like $9, but it's metal and it's pretty big and it has really pretty detail, and all I really had to do was clean it up. I really like the color. It's that kind of light sage green color. So this is two sides, and then on the other two sides are fleur-de-lis. So I thought this was really pretty. I got this really pretty mirror at an estate sale, and I got it for $5. It does need a little bit of repair in this joint right here, but my husband can do that. And I'll probably dry brush it with some white paint just to make it look a little more rustic. But that's really all that's going to need to be done to this, and I thought this was really pretty for $5. I also got this for $5 at an estate sale, and I'm not sure if I want to leave it like this for somebody to stand up. It does have a hanger on the back, or if I want to put handles right here on each side and make it a tray. I'm not sure. What would you do? Let me know in the comments. I got this wreath. This is a bigger one, probably an 18-inch one, maybe about 18 inches, but I just need to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit, change out that bow, and I got this one for, I think like maybe $7, something like that. Probably more than what I should have, but I need to get some fall stuff ready for my booth. And then I did get this right here. I want to say I got this for like $4, and really all I have to do is add new, I'm going to probably put raffia bows around each stem and clean it up. So anyway, I thought this was a good deal. I got this wreath. I'm not sure what size it is, maybe a 10-inch wreath, but I got it for about, I don't know, $3 or $4. Of course, I'll have to fix it up and zhuzh it up, but it's a really pretty wreath. It already has good stuff in it. I just need to fix it up. I also found these at an estate sale, and they, let's see, this one and that one are about 3 feet tall. And this one is just a little bit less. They just need to be cleaned up. One of them I think is a little wobbly, so I need to tighten it up. But I just need to clean it up. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna spray paint them and distress them or not. But I got all 3 of these for $11. So not too bad. And finally, I got this chest of drawers from the same estate sale, and I got it for $45. So this one is also going to be fun to refinish. All right, that I think is everything that I got at all of the places that I went, that me and my husband went over the last couple of weeks. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to fix some of this stuff up, clean some of this stuff up, and just get it ready to sell. So like I said before, I will have the video of my booth set up in the description box. So make sure you go check that out because it was a lot of fun getting it ready. But I'm gonna probably be doing some more thrifting hauls in the future. So, and I'll still do hauls like Hobby Lobby and Target, Home Goods. So it just kind of depends on kind of what I'm needing at the time. But anyway, if you are new to my channel and you like shopping hauls and you like all things homemaking, meal ideas, recipes, home decor, then I would love it if you would be a part of my YouTube family. Click the subscribe button and click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you like thrifting or if you like going to garage sales or estate sales. Leave me a comment below, and also make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because it does help me out with YouTube. If you want to see some more home decor videos, then click the box that you see on the screen right now, and I will see you next time. Bye.